Hi, I'm Elly Lark. I hope you're feeling strong and ready to move today. Let's dive into a powerful women's gymnastics session that's all about grace, strength, and self-confidence. In this video, I'm sharing a full women's gymnastics routine that blends power with poise and flexibility with focus. Gymnastics isn't just a sport. It's an amazing way to connect with your body, build discipline, and feel strong in your own skin. I'll walk you through each move with tips, stretches, and motivation to help you feel confident and capable. Whether you're trying gymnastics for the first time or just love the art of movement, this session is all about celebrating what your body can do. If you're loving the energy, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to keep growing stronger with me, Elly.